Very good morning to all of you. Welcome to Narayana online classes. Today I am going to discuss the chemistry assignment for 10th class students. Assignment number 10. Topic is chemical bonding, in which the first one is what is Vesper theory. What is Vesper theory? Here V S E P R. This is called as a Vesper theory. First we have to know about the full form of the VSEPR. Here V means valency, S means shell, E means electron, P means pair, and R means repulsions. So VSEPR theory means valency, shell, electron pairs and repulsion theory. Okay, what is Vesper theory means? Vesper theory, based on the Vesper theory, the molecule get the shape as per the repulsions between the electron pairs in the valency shell of central atom, and it was proposed by Sidgwick and Powell. So here, what is Vesper theory means? It is proposed by Sidgwick and Powell. Later, which is extended by Gillespie and Nyholm. Here, Vesper theory, what is the use of Vesper theory means? Molecule get shape as per repulsions between the electron pairs in the valency shell of central atom. So what is Vesper theory means? Molecule gets shape as per repulsions between the electron pairs in the valency shell of central atom. Next, coming to next one. Draw the shape of methane molecule. Methane chemical formula CH4, in which carbon atomic number 6, electronic configuration 1s2, 2s2, 2p2. The carbon containing the 4 valency electrons. Coming to hydrogen atomic number 1, electronic configuration 1s1, that means which is containing the 1 valency electron. Now we draw the shape of the methane molecule, the carbon containing the 4 valency electrons. Next, hydrogen containing the 1 valency electron. Here 4 hydrogens are there. So now these 2 electrons are paired, these 2 electrons are paired, these 2 electrons are paired, these 2 electrons are paired. This is the general structure of the methane molecule, but here the repulsions between the electron pairs, this electron pair, this electron pair, this electron pair, this electron pair, the shape of the methane molecule comes to like this. bond angle is 109 degrees 28 minutes. This is the shape of the methane molecule. Next, explain the formation of BF3 based on Vesper theory. BF3 means boron trifluoride. Boron trifluoride. Here boron atomic number 5. Electronic configuration 1s2, 2s2, 2p1. So boron containing the 3 valency electrons. Next, coming to fluorine, atomic number 9. So electronic configuration 1s2, 2s2, 2p5. Fluorine containing the 7 valency electrons. Now the boron, how it is formed the bond with the fluorine means here boron 3 valency electrons. Next, fluorine containing the 7 valency electrons. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Next, one more fluorine. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Here one more fluorine. Total 3 fluorines. BF3. Number of fluorine atoms are 3. Here 7 electrons. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. This is the structure of the BF3. So we can write like this. Here bond angle is 120 degrees. This is the formation of the BF3 molecule based on the Vesper theory. According to Vesper theory, around the central atom, 3 bond pairs which are in 3 covalent bonds, and without any lone pair, they must be separated by 120 degrees. And shape is the trigonal planar. Why molecules get specific shape means because around the central atom in a molecule, between the central atom and bonded atoms, the bond electron pairs and lone electron pairs repulsions are there. Around the central atom, between the central atom and bonded atoms, the bond pair of electrons and lone pair of electrons are present. These repulsions between the bond pair or bond pair lone pair or lone pair repulsions, based on this one, the molecule can get the shape. Otherwise, we can say like this: electrons in the valency shell which are in covalent bonds and in lone pairs as charged clouds that repel one another and stay as far apart as possible. This is the reason why molecules get specific shape. Next, last one and fifth one, complete the table. Compound they given BeCl2, BF3, CH4. We have to find number of bond pairs, number of lone pairs, shape, bond angle. If we draw the structure of the 3 compounds, we can get the answer. BeCl2. Structure: beryllium, 2 chlorines. Next, BF3. Already BF3, I drawn the structure. Boron, 3 fluorines. Next, CH4. It is also already over. Methane. Structure of the methane like this: carbon, Okay, here in BeCl2, how many bond pairs are there around the beryllium? 2 bond pairs are there. So number of bond pairs are 2. BF3, how many bond pairs? 3. So number of bond pairs in BF3, 3. CH4, how many bond pairs? 1, 2, 3, 4. So number of bond pairs 4. Lone pairs. Around the beryllium, no lone pair. In BF3, around the boron, no lone pair. In CH4, around the carbon, no lone pair. So number of lone pairs are 0. Shape. BeCl2. BeCl2 shape is the linear. BF3 shape is the trigonal planar. CH4 shape is the tetrahedral. Tetrahedral or tetrahedron. Next, bond angle. Beryllium chloride bond angle 180 degrees. BF3 120 degrees. In methane 109 degrees 28 minutes. This is about the BeCl2, BF3, CH4, number of bond pairs, number of lone pairs, shape and bond angle. I hope you all have to understand the topic. Thank you.